But perhaps the most significant loss is not monetary but intellectual. Many students find themselves trapped in a system that fails to ignite curiosity or foster critical thinking. Bound by rote learning and outdated syllabus, they graduate with degrees but without the ability to adapt the demands of rapidly evolving world. Demotivation becomes the constant companion of those who dare to dream amidst such bleak circumstances. It's a bitter taste of watching others effortlessly achieve what feels unattainable despite years of toil. Yet, amidst the despair, there's a glimmer of resilience forged through the adversity. The journey through the rigors of JEE preparation taught valuable lessons in self belief, a reminder that success is not measured solely by external validation but the unwavering faith in one's ability. It's a beacon of hope amidst the darkness, urging students to persevere despite the odds stacked against them. Ultimately, life in Tier 3 Engineering College is a testament of the power of resilience in the face of adversity. It's a reminder that true success is not determined by the prestige of one's institution, but the tenacity to pursue excellence despite the odds. So, while the days may blend into one another in seemingly endless loop, their solace is knowing that every challenge overcomes a step closer to a brighter tomorrow.